go. At 6 left into 6 right over small crest, logs inside.
Yep.
80 through quarry, double caution crest, slowing into 1 right narrow, logs. Crest, 1 right narrow. 40, 1 left, cars off. And hairpin right, long narrow. And left into 6 left through posts. And 3 right, don't cut.
3 rights, yeah.
2 left, very slippy. 80. Up over small crest, 5 right. And 2 left, don't cut. 80. 1 right. 1 right.
1 right. Oh.
And 80, continues for 80. And 60, 6 right. And 40, middle over crest. And 40, 3 left short. 3 left short. And 130. Middle over crest, flat crest all the way. Then 230.
230.
Through the dip. At the end, it's caution. 3 left, continues and tightens over 150 into hairpin left. 3, tightening, hairpin left.
Yep.
.60 over loose, crest into 4 right past lane. And 60, crest and jump mid camber, and 60, 4 left, over loose, and 6 right, bumps continues, and 5 right, continues over 100.
Yep.
130, brake early, into 5 right, slowing over bumps into 2 left, and 1 left. 5 right, 2 left, 1 left.
Yep.
And 5 right, over crest and bump, and square left. And 1 right, don't cut. And 5 right. 40, 4 left. 3 right, 100, hairpin left. 80.
Yep.
That's hairpin left. 80, down. 6 right over crest and jump. And 60, 3 right. 100 over loose into caution, right into 1 right. That's right into 1 right.
Yep.
And 60, 3 right. And 4 right continues for 130. Straightens out for 60 into hairpin left. There we are.
Yep.
Over slippy, 100. And 60. Right, don't cut, right over crest. 80, slippy, into 3 right, half long. And that tightens into 1 right, 3 right, into 1 right. And oops, into 3 right.
That's the tightens.
And 40, hairpin left.
Yep.
40. Right, 4 left, 40, 3 left through quarry, 3 left that is.
3 left, yeah. Okay.
60 down into 3 left, 130, middle over crest and jump, and 4 right over loose. Crest and jump, 4 right over
Yeah.
loose. 80, 4 right, don't cut through dip. 60, small crest, and 4 left. 150, 2 right, don't cut. That's 2 right, don't cut, and 2 right again into turn, square left. 2 right, square left.
Yep.
And 40, brake early for 2 left, continues and tightens into acute, sudden acute right. 2 left, acute right.
Shit, where am I going? Come on, David. God, that's horrible and greasy in it.
And 2 right,
Yep.
4 left. 40, 4 right.
4 right.
Opens half long into 2 right. 2 right. 100. 3 left. Half long, don't cut. And 40 to 2 left.
2 left.
40, 5 right. No, that's your 2
Yeah,
left.
that's 2 left, yeah.
40, 5 right. 60, 5 right over crest. And 60, slippy, into 2 left, half long, tightens. And 4 right. 2 left, stay neat. Into 3 right, half long, tightens. And 60, small crest. Into 2 left, slowing, into sudden turn, square left. 2 left, square left. 60, down. Into 4 right, half long, and turn hairpin right. That's 4 right,
Yeah.
turn hairpin right. And 5 left. That's 5 left, 60, turn 1 left.
Yeah.
And small crest. Into 6 right, over crossroads, and 3 left. 6 right, crossroads, 3 left.
There we go. Better than last time, but that stage just
It doesn't suit, does it? It
No.
does not suit. No.
It's just too many start stops and then uphill,
Yeah.
and it just the hair.